In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search sellers on Dhgate. This walkthrough will show you the simplest way to move from a product search to a seller's full store so you can explore everything they offer in one place. Start by opening dhgate.com in your browser or launch the Dhgate app if you prefer using your phone. Make sure you're signed in to your account. Being signed in helps keep your shipping details, prices, and favorites consistent, and it makes it easier to revisit stores you like later. Next, find the search bar. On desktop, it's at the top of the page. In the app, look for the bar at the top or the magnifying glass icon. Type the name of the product you're looking for. Use clear keywords like the item type, color, size, or model to narrow the results to what you actually want. When you're ready, hit the search button or tap the magnifying glass to run the search. You'll see a list of product results. Scroll through and open any listing that catches your eye. Choose something that looks close to what you want, with clear photos and a description that matches your needs. It's okay if you're just using this listing as a doorway. The goal is to reach the seller's store from here. Once you're on the product page, look for the seller or store name. It's usually displayed near the top, close to the product title, the price, or the rating area. Sometimes you'll see a small store logo or a link labeled store. Tap or click that name. This link is the direct path to the seller's store page. You'll land on the seller's store page, which is like a home page for that seller. From here, you can browse all products they offer, not just the one you started with. Explore categories, check featured items, and get a feel for their overall catalog. If you're comparing options, take a moment to scan the store's ratings and reviews, as they give useful context about reliability and product quality. You can also note shipping times and return information, which are often listed on the store page or within individual product listings. That's all there is to it. Begin at Dhgate, sign in, search for the product you want, open a listing, click the seller or store name, and you're in their store where you can browse everything they have. Follow these steps whenever you want to explore a seller's full range quickly and confidently.